Y'all, 2025 is coming to an end, which means 2026 is literally right around the corner, which is crazy. A new year means writing down your goals, resolutions, things you want to do, and it also means cleaning up your crap. So in this video, I'll be cleaning out my entire closet so I can start fresh in 2026. Let's go. During this clean out, I'm going to have 3 piles that I separate my stuff into. One is keep. No explanation, I'm just keeping it. Number 2 is maybe or try on. This means you probably haven't worn the thing in a long time, so when I try it on, I'll remind myself of either how much I love it or I hate it. And if I hate it, that means it goes in pile number 3, which is giveaway. This just means straight up no. Maybe I used to love this piece of clothing, but now it could go to someone who loves it or will love it or use it more than I did. So all that being said, let's clean out my closet. Okay, so I started with my t-shirts and I had so many that I literally couldn't even see all of them because some were at the bottom of the drawer and I just didn't know what I had anymore. So something that I found really helpful during the clean out was having a try-on or a maybe pile. I always have a big try-on pile, but it really helps me because I end up discovering things that I like and dislike that I'd forgotten about because they'd been at the bottom of the drawer. So don't be afraid to have a big try-on pile because it really helps to go through it. I have never worn this top out. It's just a basic white top and now it will be. I feel like I'm also discovering things that I didn't know I had. So I underestimated how long that would take. Basically, just the gist, I tried on tons of t-shirts and I only gave 2 away. The bright side is that I discovered tons of clothes that I haven't been wearing, but I should be because actually it turns out I love them. So that's pretty cool. I'll see you guys tomorrow to finish, or not really finish, just continue this clean out. And I'll get a lot more done tomorrow. Today was just, did not get that much done. But tomorrow's where it's at. I'll get a lot done tomorrow. Alrighty, so I started to sort out all the t-shirts that I'd gone through the day before just to kind of make sure I really wanted to give some away or keep some, and I was really proud of my giveaway so far, so that was cool. And then instead of folding my t-shirts, I decided to roll them because it prevents them from creasing too much when they're in the drawer. Something I do to make closet cleaning more fun is listening to my favorite music, a podcast, TV show, really just any background noise makes it more fun for me. I own a lot of athletic clothes, but I also wear a lot of athletic clothes. I feel like the common narrative out there for closet cleanouts is that if you have a lot of a certain type of clothing, you should definitely downsize and get rid of a lot, but I actually disagree. If you have a lot, for instance, of athletic clothes, but you also wear a lot of athletic clothes, then I feel like you shouldn't feel inclined to give away all of them. I mean, between tennis, gym, sports, school, and just everyday use, I wear a lot of this certain type of clothing, so I'm not going to feel like I should give away all of it. That doesn't go to say I didn't give away any of it. I mean, as you just saw, I did give away a few things, but I did keep the majority of it because I realistically wear it every day. So I guess the main point is it's okay to have a lot of something as long as you wear and use it. If you find yourself not wearing something, that means you don't need it, because I get by just fine not wearing half of the pajamas in my drawer, and so I realized okay, if I get by just fine, I have multiple pajamas, that means I can purge a lot of these, because I just recognized when I put all those on my bed, I'm I have too many. I haven't worn some of these pajamas in a long time. So I guess just if you really want to think about if you're going through your closet is if you haven't worn in a while, that usually means that you don't need it. And sometimes you rediscover stuff with my other clothes, oh, this is actually pretty cute, I'll be wearing this more. Pajamas are a little different though, because if you haven't been wearing it, you usually don't need it, so just get rid of it at that point. My main goal with my sweatshirts was just to get rid of stuff that I just don't like or just don't find myself wearing, and I ended up getting rid of a lot of stuff, so that saved a lot of shelf space and just a lot of room in general. Because sweater season isn't that long, I decided I only wanted to keep the sweaters that I could see myself actually wearing. So by trying them all on, just like I did with my t-shirts, I realized how many I'd forgotten about and how many I actually love and will wear more of. Holy cow! Anyhow, guys, just let me just say, those clothes, I have no words. It did not look like that many clothes when it's hanging, but when you put it all like on my bed, it looks like a whole lot more. Like that's like 3 armfuls of clothes, I think. But one thing I will say is that I've heard that it's good to take your clothes out of your closet and into a different environment, even if it's just your room. Because like I'm still in my environment, my room, my closet, whatever, but just moving them from like hanging to being on my bed puts them in a different space so I can like actually look at the piece of clothing and be like, do I like this? But I don't know. I've watched a lot of closet cleanouts and that's something I've noticed. Okay, so that is my try on pile and everything else is keep because I know for sure. Wait, actually, yeah, everything. Okay, so all this is keep, and that is my huge try on pile. And I'm honestly, it's all tops, so and dresses. So I'm gonna try it all on, and yeah, I didn't give away anything. I didn't give away anything because I don't know how all this stuff like looks. So I want to try everything on because that's a recurring theme in this whole video is try on, try on, try on. Because you don't know until you just look in the mirror and like just try it on. So that being said, I'm gonna try on all of that and then I'll get back to you guys and let you know what I'm giving away and what I'm keeping. Alrighty, we are almost done. I just tried on so many clothes and I got my sister's opinion, I got my family's opinions, and I'm tired and I'm hungry and ready for dinner. But now I have to put all this stuff, this is my keep, back in my closet. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but we're just gonna figure it out. So, and then I finally decided what I'm gonna give away. The giveaway bag is hefty, but that's what we like to see. So anyways, it's time to put this all back in my closet. Let's go. Guys, we are done. I'm so happy because I know that I got rid of things that I didn't want to bring with me into the new year. I mean, look at that trash bag. I'm really proud of that. Even if you can't see a difference in my closet personally, like I can't even really see a difference, but like I know in my mind that I got rid of things that I just didn't love anymore. And I mean like obviously you can see that by the trash bag, but I just wanted to say a big misconception about closet cleanouts is that you could by the end of it, you should be able to see like a drastic transformation like from the before to the after. When in reality, sometimes it's just a feeling. Like it's a feeling like I got rid of it a lot and I just feel better. I just feel lighter knowing like I'm going to the new year with holding on to only things I love and that I can see myself wearing. And yeah, and also my closet does feel a little bit more like orderly, like organized. But anywho, that's just to wrap up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to stick around, maybe consider subscribing. This is a pretty cool channel if you want to stick around. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Jesus loves you, and I'll see you guys next time on Isabella's Inspirations. Messing up my outro. Okay, see you later. Bye.